Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect your PSP to Wi-Fi. So it is pretty simple and I'll show you in the few steps how you can do that. So what you'll need to do is basically turn on your PSP. So you know where it's turned on. This is the button. So basically slide it up first and you will enter the menu. And after that you'll need to go to the settings right here. As you can see, this icon. After that you'll see the system settings and theme settings. So just go into the settings and scroll down all the way until you see network settings, and then you will be able to connect to network. As you can see, you'll find the Wi-Fi and basically enter the Wi-Fi password. Usually it will be on your router. And basically that's how you connect PSP to a Wi-Fi. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.